So at LCM you studied one method. Devarsh, now are you
Yes.
punctual now? Will you attend the class every day, Devarsh?
Ma'am, my
Yes.
network was gone. That's
Okay,
why
okay.
only.
So that now LCM, another method we are going to start with, which one you can use in your future. Don't forget, and it is an important topic. The method,
Okay,
whatever
ma'am.
you studied, it is useful for only that chapter. Today's LCM you have to remember in your life always. Okay, so we can start, no need of writing. If you are understanding, we can go for the problems. Okay, so for example now 2 and 4. If you want to write in, you can write in your rough book.
And for the reduction of fractions by division,
Which one?
only there is, and for the reduction of fractions by division,
Sound is
right?
not clear, Siddhi.
Siddhi,
And
speak
for the
louder.
ma'am, for the unruled sheets of ma'am, the reduction of fraction by division, right? There is
Reduction of fractions I gave you in unrolled sheet,
There shall
and
have one
workbook
page for
problems
it.
also I gave you. Now
Ma'am,
just
not
listen.
that.
Just
Not that
listen.
for the paper only. There is just little questions for the
No,
paper.
papers I will give you in very less portions. If the understanding is more important than this. Okay, so listen now. Just in rough book you can write it. 2 and 4. First step you write like this, 2 and 4. How many numbers are there? 2 and 4.
2 and
You write.
4.
Okay, did you study this? Have you studied this?
Yes,
I don't know, ma'am.
Yes,
Don't know. Okay, so you listen.
You have given the same question.
Then you write, draw one line like this. Okay, first step, write the two numbers, 2 and 4. Then you, which is common here, Sarah?
I know the step, ma'am.
Which is common here?
2.
2.
2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So you divide by 2 first. Okay, first step you have to divide by 2. Can you tell me, Srihari, what you will get in the here?
Ma'am,
2 divided by 2. How much you will get here?
2 divided by 2, we will get
1. 1 into 2 is
1.
2. Then 4 divided by 2. How much you will get?
4 divided by 2, we get 8.
2 into 2 is 4. So you will get it as 4. You are divide
4.
each term by 4, 2. 2 divided by 2. You will get it as 1. 4 divided by 2. You will get it as 2. Okay. So again you can divide by 2. So 1 as it is you write. 1 you cannot divide. So you write as it is. Again you can write 2 divided by 2. You will get the answer as 1. So till 1 comes, you have to continue the division. Did you understand now? 20% or 10%, something you understood?
Ma'am, I didn't
Ma'am, I
understand.
only understand it 5%.
5%.
I didn't understand at all.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please show it once more?
Yes, yes, I will tell you.
My mother had teach.
You are going to find the LCM by prime factorization by dividing it in, making it into prime numbers. Okay. So the first factor, 2 and 4, you want to find out the LCM first. Okay. So which is common to both? There were, which is common to both? 2. First you divide it to 2. If you are dividing, then draw one line like this. If you are dividing by 2, 2 divided by 2, how much you will get? 1. That much understood?
Yes.
Yes, you write 1 here. What is the next number? Srihari?
Ma'am, 4
divided by 2. How much you will get?
2.
2. 2 twos are 4. You have to write it. That much understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Again, here 1 came. So no need of doing anything with it.
100%.
You divide it. Which is remaining here? Which is the only one number remaining here? 2. 2 is remaining. So again you divide by 2. 1, because 1 came, so no need of dividing it again. You write as it is.
excuse me, can you please show once more?
Yes?
Ma'am, please show it once more. I do not understand.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
2 and 4. Okay. Which is the number common here, Tanvi?
Ma'am, 2.
2. You divide with the 2. Not common also you can divide with any number 2, 3 like that. So 3 don't take it here because 3 you will not get it. What is the first step? Siddhi?
Can I do something? 2.
Yes, 1. 2 divided by 2, you will get it as 1. What is the next number? 4. 4 divided by 2, you will get the answer as 2. You write both the terms here. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Both the numbers
That
you have to divide by 2.
only.
2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4.
No, ma'am, I do not understand.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I ask one thing, ma'am?
Yes. Listen.
Sarah,
Yes, Sarah.
ma'am, if you are giving any number, first we should look which is the common,
Yes,
and
which
we
is the
should
common.
divide
Yes, divide it.
those.
Each
Yeah.
term you should divide.
Then we should divide it.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, I understand.
2 and 4.
I don't understand, ma'am.
Yes. Tanvi, no, who is there now next? Who is- Haira, Fatima, what is the first step? You will do it 2 and 4.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Are we going with a new chapter?
New topic, not new chapter. Which is the first number you will write it, Haira?
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, we get 2 numbers.
Yes.
Here we get 2 and 4.
Yes.
First, we should write 2, comma and 4, and we should find in which multiplication table
It will.
both 2 and 4 are present.
Yes.
Then we should write here 2 and 4 are in 2's table. So we should write that line and write 2 in the we should write 2 there, and we should divide 2 by 2 and 4.
Yes.
Then we get 1 by 2.
1 and 2. 1 and
1
2.
and 2. Yeah,
Again.
1 and 2.
Yes,
Then we
again
should
here came 1.
yeah, again we should identify in which table 1 and 2 are present. Then we
Yes.
should write that table. 1 and 2 are present in one's table.
1 don't take it. 1 don't take it because already it became 1. 1 you write
So
as
we
it is.
should
Only 2 is
we
remaining.
we cannot take 1.
1 you can write down as it is. 1.
Okay.
Because 1
So
came.
we should not take 1.
Yes.
So
Don't take it. Then again, which is the number here? 2. 2 divided by 2. How much you will get? Again
2
1.
divided by
Till
2.
1 comes, you have to continue the division. Is it okay now?
Stand from there 1 and 2. Then in which multiplication
It is
table?
remaining here.
Ma'am, 1 and 2.
1 and 2. 1 don't take it. 1 you write as it is because 1 you cannot divide it again.
Okay, so we should write
We should
1
take only 2 here.
below 1 and 2. We should write 1.
Yes. 1
Then we
as
should
it is.
find
Yes.
in which multiplication table 2 is present.
Yes.
Okay,
2 ones
ma'am.
are-
So it is 1 by 2 again.
Again it became 1 1. 1 as it is you have to write. 2 as divided by 2 you will get it as 1. So it became 1.
Ma'am, so
Yes, I will tell you. Don't worry.
ma'am, we get 1 and 2. So we leave 1 as it is because we cannot divide it any
number.
further. So we write it as it is.
Yes.
And 2 is present in 2's table.
Yes.
So we write 2.
2.
And 2 into 1 is it equal to 2. So we write 1 and we got 1 and 1.
1 and
So
1.
it is correct.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ask one thing, ma'am, Sarah.
So what is the LCM now?
Ma'am,
2 into 2 you will get it as 4.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
ask, ma'am, Sarah?
Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, till we get the both number as 1, we should
Both the
divide it
numbers
again
as
and again.
1. You have to continue the division. If 1 comes means you
Okay,
stop it.
ma'am.
If no common
Okay,
factors means as it is you write it. Okay, 3 comes you cannot
Okay.
divide by 2. So as
Till
it is,
we
you
get
write.
the two numbers as one, we should divide it.
Yes, you
Ma'am,
have to
can
do-
you share the board again?
Yes, yes. Once again, you can see.
Ma'am, I
Manav.
didn't understand.
Yes, yes. Don't worry. Two and four. You're right. Manav, which number you will divide now?
Ma'am, I don't understand,
You
ma'am.
did not understand. Janvi, which number you can divide here?
Ma'am, 2.
2. 2 you divide. Take the first term. 2 you have to divide by 2. What you will get here? 1.
One.
1 you have to write, or in which multiplication table? 2 ones are 2. Then what is the next number? 4. 4 you have to divide by 2. So you'll get it as 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Again, one claims
Ma'am,
on.
can I ask one thing?
Yes, you can ask.
Ma'am, first we will divide 2 and 2. Then we will get 1, and then we will divide 2 and 4. Then we will get 2. And we divide this 1 and 2 with 2 itself, right,
2.
ma'am?
So as it is.
So,
Hmm.
divided by 1, how we will get 1?
You cannot divide 1 by 2. So as it is, you write it. Only 2 is 2 you have to divide.
So, we should the 1 itself.
Leave 1 as it
So, we
is.
should write,
As it is, you
okay,
write it.
ma'am.
Again, you have to
Okay,
divide
ma'am.
2 by 2. You will get it as.
Ma'am, I don't understand, ma'am.
Yes, Felix.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Yes, don't worry, don't worry. Still, I will give you problems. No, don't worry.
So when 1 and 2 come, you
Yes.
want
So what is the LCM? You will get it 2 and 4. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? You will get it as 2 into 2. Once again, you can listen the same problem. Yes, Felix, how will you write the first step?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Yes, not understood. Kirtana, what is the first step you will divide?
Ma'am, with 2.
2. You can divide with the 2. What is the first number you will get now?
Ma'am, 1.
1. 1 2s are 2. Yes. Next number. What is the next number?
2.
2. So you have to write it as 2. Now it came 1. Again it became 2. Again you can divide by 1 and 1. Okay. One more example shall I give you? Manav not understood. Felix
Ma'am,
not
can I
understood.
ask it out, ma'am?
Yes, tell
Sarah?
me. Oh, yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, whenever we are doing this,
Yes. Now one more problem shall I tell you if you are not understood? Another problem I will explain to
Ma'am,
you.
can I ask it out?
Yes.
Ma'am, you put then 2 and 4.
okay,
And
ma'am.
2 divided by 2, you wrote 1.
1.
And why can't we can we write 4 1 4
4 if you are dividing by 2, how much you will get?
we need to divide it by 2.
What you will get? 2.
Yeah, ma'am, 2 into 2.
Okay, then only it will become equal. Yes.
Mm.
3 and 6. Manav, can you tell me which number you will divide now? 3 and 6.
Ma'am, 3 and 6 will take
Which number you have to divide?
3.
3. Yes, first you divide by 3. Can you tell me what you will get here?
Ma'am, you will get 3, 1.
3 divided by 3. Each time you should divide by 3. So you will get it as 1.
3 divided by 6 is 2.
Yes. Again, you have to divide by which number? 6. 6 divided by 3.
2.
2. So 1 and 2, you got the second step. Again, which is the number remaining here?
Ma'am, 2. So,
Only 2 is remaining. So you have to divide with the 2. Here 1 as it is, you write. Again, 2 divided by 2, you will get it as 1. 1, 1, you got it. So LCM, you will get it as 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. Is it okay now?
And what about HCF?
HCF now, don't worry about HCF now. Don't worry about HCF. This is a new method of.
The LCM, how did we get it as 3 into 3
Yes,
into 2
once
is equal
again.
to-
Yes, tell me now. 2 and 4. Saira, what is the first step you will write?
First, we should divide.
How you take the common terms there?
Ma'am, we will take 2.
2. Yes.
Then we will divide 2 and 2. Then we
Yes.
will get 1.
1. Next.
Then we will divide 2 and 4. Then we will get 2.
Hmm.
Then we should divide that 1 and 2 with 2 itself.
Yes.
So we can't divide 1 and 2. So we will write it as 1 itself. And when we divide 2 and 2, we will get 1 itself.
So you got the answer as 1, 1. So no need of continuing further. And what is remaining here now? Which are the terms you multiply together? 2 is there. Here also 2 is there.
No,
2 into-
ma'am, should we take the lowest number to divide?
Yes, lowest number which is common. Common is there means
Excuse
you
me,
take it.
ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, in this 3 and 6,
Yes.
first we will multiply 3. Sorry, first we will divide 3 and 3, then we will get 1. Then we
Yes.
will divide 3 and 6, then we will get 2. Then how for this 1 and 2 we will divide?
Again,
we will
2
get
is here.
2.
2 is here. You take 2. 1 as it
Why?
is.
The second question.
Yes.
Ma'am,
3 and 6.
Hmm.
Ma'am, the second question 3 and 6.
Hmm.
I did that and 3 and 6 is in 3's multiplication table. Then I divided it and 1 by 2. And 1 and 2 is in the 2's table. So I divided 1 and 2 is equal and I got 1 and 1.
Yes.
And the LCM is 3 into 2 that you 3 into 2 is equal to 6 you wrote. How did it come 3 into 2 is equal to 6?
These are the two numbers which are divided. 3 into 2 you should multiply and write.
Ma'am, if we do in the fact,
excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
So we should, ma'am. So we find until we get 1 and 1.
Yes, until you get 1.
Yeah, and the two multiplication tables numbers. Here it is 3 and 2. Then the multiplication numbers, tables numbers, we should multiply that, and the resulting number is the LCM.
Yes. Two numbers will remain. You are dividing. 3 into 2 you will get it as 6. Felix,
That is correct.
can you tell me the steps now?
Ma'am,
So
Sarah.
I said this.
Excuse me, a doubt, ma'am, Sarah.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Sarah.
can I ask a doubt, ma'am,
Yes.
Sarah?
Yes, Sarah.
This 3 and 6, we will get 1 and 2, right? So
Which
for
one?
that, for
Hmm.
when we are doing 3 and 6, we will get that answer as 1 and 2, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
to divide two numbers, for what we will get this number 2? How?
Because only one term is remaining here. 2 is remaining.
Ma'am, one we want the
1 we got it. So no need of doing anything with
One
it.
we cannot divide further.
So
So we
only
will
2
take
is
the
remaining. You
remaining
divide by
number.
that number.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Can I ask
tell me.
about
Okay, ma'am.
Siddhi?
HCF don't find out now. Only you have to find out
Can I
LCF.
ask about Siddhi, ma'am?
Yes, Siddhi.
Ma'am, if we do in the factor way, 3 will become 1 into 3 and 6 will become 2 into 3. The
Yes.
LCM would be 2 into 1 into 3. The answer is 6 itself.
Yes, 6 itself. 6 will be the LCM.
But when we do this, the 1 is not there, but the answer itself is same.
1 no need of multiplying. You are not dividing with 1. Till 1 comes, you have to continue the division. Felix is not following, so he is simply sitting there. Yes, Felix. Where you are having doubt? Nothing understood?
Nothing.
No, ma'am. This
No.
all
Okay,
was
listen.
shouting and
Listen,
my
don't worry, don't worry.
voice was not clear.
Manav, how will you divide now? Manav,
Ma'am, you take 2.
2. Then you can divide it.
Yes.
Ma'am. So
Then
2, ma'am,
two,
I
one,
said 2 is 1
Yes,
and 4 is 2.
2. 2 into 2 is
Two
4.
is-
Yes,
2 and LCM is 4.
yes. 2, you will get it as 1 and 1. So 1, 1 you got it. So the LCM is 2 into 2, which is equal to 4 is the LCM of these two numbers. Okay. Yes. Next one, Felix, 3 and 6. How will you divide now, Felix? Felix, nothing understood. 0% he understood. Yeah.
Ma'am, I understood 50%. Only
Okay, at
50%.
least that much improvement is there. Okay, very good. Yes, Felix, tell me which is the number you have to take common now.
3.
Ma'am,
Ah,
3.
3 you can take it. 3. How much you will get here now? Count the
What?
multiplication table of 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6.
And 3 into 2.
Here 1. 3 into 1 is 3. Here 3 is there. So you are dividing with the 3. So 1.
Ma'am, can I say to Felix?
Yes, you can help him.
Okay, ma'am. Felix, we've
All
ma'am
of you listen.
gave us a number. I take 3 and 6. So we write 3, comma 6. Then we should see in which
Felix, sit properly. Your legs are moving from here and there. Yes.
Okay. So we should identify in which multiplication table 3 and 6 are present.
Okay.
Okay. That much he understood. Okay.
We
Aditi
should-
disappeared. Aditi, where are you?
Ma'am, that means if you give 3 and 6,
Hmm.
then we take 3
Hmm.
and 3. We should see 3 and 6 are there in the table of 3.
Yes,
That's
3 and
it.
6.
Yes.
Okay.
3 ones
Now-
are 3.
Yeah,
Okay.
after that, after we divided 3 into 3 and 3 into 6, we got 1 and 2. So we should leave 1 alone because we cannot divide 1 any further.
Okay.
Okay, then we should identify in which multiplication table 2 is present. 2, we can write 2 as it is because 2 is in 2's multiplication table. Then when we when we divide, we leave 1 alone again, and we should divide 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So we got 1 by 1 until we get 1 by 1. 1 and
1
1.
by 1, you tell. 1 by 1.
Yeah,
1 by
1. We should divide again and again until we get 1 and 1. Then we should understood.
Then final
Then the
step is
last and final step. We got 3 and 6 is in 3's table, and 1 and 2 we got in 2's table. So we got 3 and 2. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. That is the LCM. You understand now?
Last step, I didn't understand. Last one.
last step. Yes,
Last
last step.
step.
Yes, last step.
Step. 3 and 6
These
we
are the
got
answers you got it.
in table. Right, Felix?
What?
3 and 6 we got in 3's table. Then 1 and 2 we got in 2's table, right?
1 and 2 we got in 2's table. 3 and 6 we got in 3's table. Yes.
Yeah. Then the LCM is 3 and 2 because we got the numbers in those two multiplication tables. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So 6 is the LCM.
Okay. Now
Understood?
Okay.
Ma'am, I also know.
Okay.
Now you understood. Okay. Okay. Tanveen, where are you? Did you understand? Navaneet? Now okay. Now you will stop nodding his leg.
Ma'am, you can give
Devash, did you understand? Mayuk? Yes. What about Siddhi?
Yes, ma'am, I already understood.
Already
Time
understood.
ago.
Manav, where are you? Are you disappeared?
No, ma'am.
No, you are there. Now is it okay?
Ma'am, I think Manav also,
Manav
think
also
Manav-
understood. Yes.
also understood.
Okay.
Ma'am, I understood when you told it, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, it will look hard, but when you feel connections, we should just know how to get the numbers. So when we know how to get the numbers, it will be easy.
Yes, that is the main thing you are lacking in multiplication table. Main thing you are there only you are lagging behind.
Multiplication table is almost needed in every math problem.
Yes. So shall we go to the? Shall I give another problem? Can you do it in rough book?
Yes, ma'am. You can give any number.
7 and 14. You can do it.
Exams, even in a higher
7 and 14. Which multiplication table? Which is common? You can take it. 7 and 14. Third problem you can do it. Yes, Felix, you can try by yourself now. Yes, this is the third problem you can do in rough book.
Ma'am, I have one last doubt.
Last step.
Oh no.
This what?
Yes, yes.
Nothing. I understood.
Yes, you divide now. Divide.
Ask it out.
Yes, Siddhi.
And Dia.
Diya solved your problem. Yes.
Ma'am, can I ask it out?
Yes, you can ask your doubt. Always welcome. Tell me fast.
Ma'am, can we do the Celsius by 4 and 3?
Yes, 4 and 3 you can do it.
I got the answer.
Yes, 4 and 3 I will tell and give you now. Is it okay now?
What the answer?
Yes.
And
What is the LCM of 7 and 14? You got it?
7
7 and 2.
14.
7 and
Ma'am,
14. How
7.
much you got, Manas?
7 into 2 is equal to 14.
Yes, 14. You can. Okay, this is the third question. 7 and 14. You write it here. Which is the common table? You can take 7, 1 and 2. You will get 1.
I got the LCM.
LCM you got how much?
Are you
Ma'am,
got the LCM? It is 14.
Yes, enough.
By 2.
Okay, Felix.
Ma'am, can you please say how we got 14, ma'am?
This 7 you divided, not 7 you divided.
No, I will tell you. Ma'am, can I?
Yes, you can explain.
Yes.
Okay, Manu, first, Ma'am give us two numbers, right? 7 and 14. So, 14 and 7 are available in 7
Yes,
table.
who is talking in between?
Ma'am, my voice is
Somebody unmuted. Yes, tell Felix.
Okay. Then, for 7, Ma'am, Tanvi is asking.
Yes, start and explain.
Okay, 7 and 14 are there in the 7th table. So we will take 7 and down the 7 divided by 7 equals 1. So they will come 1, and 7 divided by 14 equals 2. Then 1 and 2 came. Then when what?
Sorry.
Then
It was mistake.
Again, you have to divide by which number?
Then
Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
we'll
Can
get 2 and
Yes.
2 and 2 equals 1 and 1. So we will multiply 7 and 2, then we will get 14.
Wait. Let me say, ma'am. 7 and 14. 7, we can divide it and we'll get 1.
Yes.
Then 14 is 2.
Yes.
So when we can do 2 by 2 into 1.
What? 2 by 2 into
1. Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes. So yeah, sorry, ma'am. Then we'll put 2 there and then 1 by 1 there and then
1 till 1 comes, you have to continue the division.
Yeah, till when we get to 1 and 1, our factors is over.
Yes. Till 1 comes, you have to continue the division. Yes, who is shouting all together?
Ma'am, can I say one thing?
Yes,
ma'am?
Sarah, wait.
Sarah.
Felix, now Manav, is it okay now?
ma'am, everyone was shouting, ma'am.
Yes, who is shouting
I
now?
will
Please-
tell.
Not
Sarah
hearing.
and Shreyari was shouting.
Yes, Sarah, please mute.
I was shouting.
Ma'am. Okay. Juan.
Juwan, yes, Juwan.
Ma'am, I don't know because of network issue, ma'am.
Okay, I am explaining now. LCM, I am not stopping now until you are understanding.
Ma'am, question number which?
No, question number.
Question number is 3. Third question we are doing
We
now.
are studying a new topic.
We are just
3.
Ma'am,
We are
can you please?
Ma'am, can you tell me the page number?
Ma'am,
Page number nothing. We are just doing the problem.
ma'am,
Yes, tell me,
can
Juwan.
you please? Ma'am,
We are just starting.
ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Any
can
one
you
of you
just-
don't unmute all together. Yes.
no.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Manav.
Ma'am, can you please give a question and I'll try to solve it by
Yes, yes, I
myself.
am going to give now.
Give him a question, ma'am.
Yes.
When we get 1 and 2, we cannot divide 1.
One, you as it is, you write it.
So when we will write that 1 down and
Ah.
2 divided by 2 is 1. So we'll
Yes.
get 1 and 1.
1 and 1. Till 1. Yes, Aditi.
Ma'am, Manjima is saying 2 and 4 is equal to 1 and 1 and 3 and 6 is equal to 1 and 1. In chat.
Till 1, 1 comes, you have to continue the division.
Yes.
Yeah, until 1 and 1. Yeah.
The second
Yes,
step
Aditi.
we got one, but
Yes,
we
can you
got
please
two.
mute? Aditi is asking some doubt. Yes, Aditi.
Ma'am, when Manav gets the answer, you can write down on the board what he's saying. So
Yes,
he
Aditi.
can understand.
Ma'am, can you tell Srinidhi and Felix?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please give me a question?
I will give
I'll
you
try
one
to do
question.
it
You
by
can try it. Okay. Yes, Aditi. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, I had a network report now.
Okay, okay. Now we are doing LCM problems. LCM, which is the basic of comparison of fractions. Okay. If you are understanding LCM only, you can do the problem. Yes, Manjima.
Ma'am, 2 and 4's answer is 1 and 1, right?
2 and 4's answer is not 1 and 1. When you are dividing 2 by 2, you will get 1 and 2. Again, if you are dividing, don't say that 2 and 4's answer is 1 and 1. That is wrong.
Total answer.
Total answer we need LCM, not the total answer we need. Down answer is not important. Till 1, 1 comes, you have to divide.
Ma'am, can I say one thing?
Yes, tell me.
When we get the LCM by doing like this problems, no, the LCM will be the first step, last number. That means
No,
7 and 14.
not all problems.
Ma'am,
for
can you
14
please
the
give me a question?
there is no like that. I will give change and give now because for easy problems I gave now for you to understand. Now I will give some more problems which will not be the same as last number. Okay.
Ma'am, can you please give me a question, ma'am? Manav?
Yes, yes, Manav, I will give you another question. 6 and 15.
Yes, ma'am. 6,
Six
we
and
can.
15.
We have to take 6, ma'am.
6, don't take it. Why you are taking 6? Which is common?
Ma'am, 15.
No, 3. 3 into 2 is 6.
Oh, sorry, 3.
3 into 2.
Sorry, ma'am.
3 into 5.
3. So 3 will come as
3 into 2.
yeah,
Again, 2
3
only
into
you have
2
to take it. There is no
and
common term. So
3
you divide
into
by
5
2.
is 15. So
5 you
there,
cannot divide. 5 as it is. Divide by 5. 1 and so the LCM.
Ma'am, can you repeat again, ma'am? I didn't.
6
Yes, I
and
will explain.
Ma'am, time up.
Yes, next class I will explain this problem. You keep on.
Ma'am, 6 and 16
and
is
15.
present in 2's table, right?
Not 2 tables. 3 you can take. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Again 2, there is no common between these two. So you divide by smallest number 2. 2 divided by 2 will be
6 and 16 is in 2's table also, right? 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and 8 into 2 is
15,
equal to
15, not
16.
16. 15.
Okay, ma'am. I heard it as 16.
6 and 15. You try to do it. Next class I will explain to you. Okay, bye bye.
Bye,
Try to
ma'am.
Okay,
understand.
ma'am.
Bye bye.